coming out from China now.
It's a surprising claim that is being made by the Chinese foreign minister that Beijing mediated between India and Pakistan during Operation Sindoor. I demand that the Modi government must rebut this claim officially and assure the country that no third-party intervention is acceptable. All of us know in the country that China supplies 81% of weapons to Pakistan and provided real-time intelligence during Operation Sindoor. And now it claims to be mediator. How can that be acceptable to any Indian, any proud Indian? And this cannot be taken silently by the country. And China wants to place India and Pakistan at the same level and is trying to project itself as some sort of a superpower in South Asia. So I want to know from the Modi government, is this what the Prime Minister agreed with the Chinese government when he visited China? And now this is a second statement which has come from a leader of a foreign country after Trump. And Trump went on hammer and tongs more than 25 times saying that he was the one who stopped this war. And then he also said that he secured peace. And then he threatened India with sanctions. And now we trade sanctions. Now we have the Chinese foreign minister making a similar claim officially. So I feel this is an affront to India and must be strongly rebutted by the Modi government. And normalcy in ties with China does not mean that it should be at the cost of India's sovereignty. That is completely unacceptable. We demand that the government must rebut this claim made by the Chinese foreign minister and condemn it.